before we start this video off, thank y'all for the likes, like, period. Like, thank y'all. Like, I was just like, wait a minute. Just for that, I will be continuing the painting, but I'm going to be doing that in a separate video because I really want to focus on that, and then also include another painting with it. Put that out there. Don't expect this one for Speaking Time. This is strictly 28 days calendar, but bye. Hello. I'm tired, but I'm up. It's me now, like the Lion King, and this is my channel, DBNaila. Hey, it's my name. Bro, what is my name? Hey. Bro, hey, my name is Nala, like the Lion King, and this is my channel, DBNaila, I guess. And it is the 3rd, so it's time for my 3rd painting. I'm getting this done early, okay? Because I'm traveling this weekend, so I'm gonna knock these bad boys out. Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. This has acrylic all over it, so I'm gonna peel this thing off. Okay, I'm going to just use some plastic wrap for my oil paint. I mean, I really could clean this, but yeah, girl is lazy. Obviously, how do I feel? I don't know, maybe tired. Yeah, maybe tired. Or think about that. I'm sorry, you didn't deserve that. I'm just projecting. I'm talking to myself there, and myself isn't listening, it's mocking me. I don't know how I'm gonna model this, because whatever I model this is gonna be on top of this heart here. So maybe this guy, oh, I know what he's doing. He's gonna be sitting on her head like this, right? No? Yeah, that'll do good. You know, at this point, should I or should I not put clothes on?
Do you smell it? That smell, a kind of smelly smell.
I don't know. I basically shipped out all of the candygrams. Like, so you probably gonna get this early. I had to knock it out because I had so flippin' many. I did not think I would. Thank y'all so much. This energy, I'm loving this energy, honestly. So I'm trying to get more into holiday things. I am back after actually getting up. I finished this 3rd day, and of course I have to always make space to make sure the other ones can come in. I saw some of y'all found my TikToks. I'm really embarrassed, but I was on live when I did this one here. I'm traveling back to my hometown, staying with my grandmother for the weekend, so I'm just gonna do a little kind of like a vlog while I'm there to be like, this is how I feel, so when I come back here I can go ahead and knock out those 2 extra paintings that I'm missing. But yeah, that's how it's excuse me, that's how it's gonna roll out. We'll see. All right,
days later.
I did my vlogs and I drew everything, so when it actually came to me painting it, I had a template for everything I needed to do. I have all the stuff I'm going to use as usual. I have my oil paints, King Art oil paint set here, my beautiful thinner that helps me create smooth kind of areas, and I have my little weird brushes that I usually use, the same ones. Easy to like manipulate, honestly. Some of the Master's Touch oil paint. What we're gonna do as usual, I'm gonna go ahead and sketch this out with the pencil. That's probably with my Mod Podge. Some of this stuff will be from live, some of this stuff will just be me strictly recording. So what I'm gonna do now is go straight in. I'm gonna go ahead and just knock out all of these hearts in one sitting. This should be a record. Hello, day 4. I am excited to be here, back in my hometown. I feel like I'm like flightless in a sense, like I think just excitement, but I'm also tired. I don't know, I can't really explain that much, but I feel pretty good. Okay, hello everyone. So this is day 5 and I'm just coming off of work technically. I done cut my finger. Terrible. The scissors, of course. I am feeling, I don't want to say exhausted again, but honestly the truth, I am tired. Probably gonna do a design about feeling tired and exhausted. Or maybe injured. Because I cut the mess out of my finger. I thought I split my finger. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna need stitches. Hello, so today is the 6th and I don't know, it feels good being back in my hometown with my family and the fresh air. I'm feeling comforted, I guess. More so like comfortable, cozy, kind of like chilled, laid back, low-key. I feel kind of like at ease a little bit. I wasn't supposed to stay here another day, but your girl stayed too long on her welcome and I'm not driving at night, so I decided to just stay another day.
Nice.
Alright, so it is day 7 and honestly, I just really miss my man. I'm not gonna lie. That's how I'm feeling today. I think it's been like what, 4? I think it's like 3 days honestly, but still it's like, it feels like it's been forever. You know, like during quarantine, like he was in North Carolina and I was all the way down in Virginia, so we were like away from each other for like months. So I mean, I should be fine with that, but since we got married, I just miss him more. I'm feeling lovable and I miss him. Somehow I want to connect it to the other one that's kind of like the kissy face. I want to figure out how to connect that one to that one. That's what I'm thinking of doing for today. Hey yo, it is the, what's the 8th. Today I am feeling kind of energized. I'm excited because this long few weeks and month have been like grind hard. Sigh of relief. Like a sigh of relief. That's what I'm gonna be looking for. So kind of like I'm tired and just kind of like, whew. So I'll probably do something like where I'm kind of like, whew. Alright, so today low-key is a rough day, I'm not gonna lie. It's been rough. The amount of candy grams I had to do, I did not realize that. So I spent too long in my hometown. I didn't have time to do a lot of the stuff I wanted to do. So let's just say I'm stressed the hell out. But I'm happy because this week is gonna be the end of a lot of stuff. Not even sad, just kind of like low, honestly. Just a low piece because it's been rough. I already said that, but it's honestly truly been rough. Alright, you guys, look at this. My hands. I can't paint anymore. I painted all of these in one sitting. I still got stuff to do, but look at like, can I pick this up? Like, God. Huh? My arm hurts. This is too heavy. I can't do this, y'all. This won't be happening again as far as like doing everything on one day. It's just that I traveled, so I didn't have my paints with me. I couldn't really make the video how I wanted to make this time, but this was really cool. This is technically all the way until the 9th, I believe. So today's the 10th, so I'm going to start off next time with the 10th painting. And Lord, man, I'm tired. Look at this. Look at this oil paint palette. So if you guys notice, my piece is pretty, these hearts are really big and my canvas is not as big as the heart. So if you think about this, I have to have 7 across in the row at the bottom. And I'm 3rd and I'm halfway there. So I'm gonna probably be doing some of them that are kind of like leaned up when it gets like each other, kind of like stacked. Some designs where they're stacked, just so I can squish them in there a little bit more. But we'll come to that eventually. But so far, I'm loving it. I'm loving it.
Now that I've got you right where I want you!
Like and subscribe.